Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable the car damage in F1 24. During the session you want to open the settings, so press Y on Xbox controller, triangle on the PlayStation controller, or F2 on your keyboard. And then over here go to simulation settings. In the simulation settings over here you have damage settings where you can change the car damage. You can turn it off in order to have no damage at all. You can set it to reduced where the front wing can be damaged, as well as tires will be damaged by wear only. And you can also set it to standard where all areas of the car will be able to be damaged and tires still will be damaged by wear only. You can also set it to simulation where everything can be damaged, the effect of damage upon the handling and performance of the car will be more pronounced, and tires can be damaged by wear and by collision with barriers and debris. So in addition to that, if you have the car damage at least enabled, so if you have at least reduced, then over here you also have the car damage rate, and you can switch it between reduced, standard, and simulation. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!